The seminar brought together students and teachers from various schools, parents, security operatives and opinion leaders. The Assistant Commandant General, Wahid Popola, says the mission is to find ways to tackle insecurity in schools to prevent new cases.
But we need to be proactive. We don't want such a thing to occur in our schools or in our environment. So when you talk of security, it's not one man's business or a particular agency or those in uniform alone. Those of us that are civilians, we do much work by providing information.
Mrs. Nike Agbaji, the Director of Education Support Services in the state, calls for a more inclusive approach in curbing the problems.
Partnership is indispensable in curbing security challenges. While the citizens are expected to be patriotic, vigilant, and proactive, the government needed to provide an enabling and bedlam-free environment for peaceful coexistence of all the sundry.
Meanwhile, the representative of the All Nigeria Conference of Principals of Secondary Schools in Abeokuta South, Mrs. Kemi Olokode, says renewed family and societal value systems need to be put in place.
We find out that 70% of the students are students from broken homes. Ask them, when they offend, go and bring your parents, that's when you come into trouble. Father is in Kafancha, mother is in Ekpe. So the child is left alone, meandering and doing what he likes.
Beyond this seminar, participants say security operatives must be more committed to the cause to ensure the problem is totally wiped out.